Hello YouTube, this is my kitty. If you're a subscriber, you have seen him before. He is really responsive, right? Yeah, you are responsive. As you said back, you're a really great kitty. Yeah. Oh, I like kind of knocking him down lightly like that, and then he's like on his little belly. He's so cute. What? Look. Look at this. He's gonna go eat now. Doesn't want to go? Little baby. There he is. Eat up, little baby. I'm not gonna disturb you from now on. Bye. Subscribe if you like this beauty.